In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and analyze timeframes on a stock chart in Robinhood. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Robinhood app and navigating to the chart of the stock you want to explore. This could be from your watch list, your portfolio, or a search. Once the chart is open, you're ready to adjust how much price history you're seeing so the data matches the kind of analysis you want to do. You'll notice time range buttons around the chart, typically labeled 1D, 1W, 1M, 1Y, and all. These control the historical window you're viewing. Think of them as different lenses. 1D gives you today's action, useful for intraday moves. 1W and 1M help you spot near-term swings and reactions to recent news. 1Y shows broader trends over the past year, and all gives you the longest available history for context. Pick the one that fits your question, short-term, medium-term, or big picture. Simply tap the button for the time frame you want. The chart will refresh to match your selection. If you're comparing how earnings affected price, try bouncing between 1M and 1Y to see both the immediate move and where it sits within the longer trend. For more granular control, look for interval selectors that let you switch the chart's data grouping to minutes, hours, or days. This is especially helpful when you want to see more detail within a chosen range. Minutes are great for intraday analysis, hours can smooth out noise while preserving short-term structure, and days provide a clean view of broader moves. If you don't immediately see these options, check for an advanced chart toggle or settings icon on the chart screen. On mobile, use pinch gestures to zoom in for detail or out for context. Drag the chart left or right to scroll through time and quickly scan how price reacted at different points. Try slow, steady gestures for precise control, and give the chart a moment to load if you've zoomed in very tightly. If you need ultra-precise short-term analysis, you can use very short intervals down to as low as 2 ticks where available to capture tiny changes in price. This is useful for spotting immediate momentum or micro trends, but remember that extremely short intervals can be noisy, so it helps to check your findings against a longer time frame. That's it. Open the chart, choose your time range, refine the interval if needed, and use pinch and drag to explore. With a little practice, you'll move seamlessly between views and get exactly the clarity you need.